Alright, hey everyone, how's it going? I thought I would shoot a video introducing our new 2015 Corolla LE Premium. We just got this about 2 weeks ago, and it's an addition to our 2012 Camry and 2013 Lexus RX. So it has the smart key, so put it in your pocket, grab the handle, step inside. So this one has the black soft text interior, which is I guess like their fake leatherette. Here it's got the 6.1-inch touchscreen, automatic single zone climate control, heated seats, gear shifter, traction control, non-automatic dimming rearview mirror, and then the sunroof, if you guys can see that. The controls for the sunroof right there. So, it does have push button start. So put your foot on the brake and push the button to start it up. So to cycle to the display, there's a display button. Right now we have 615 miles. Center screen. This one is equipped with the navigation. It's kind of washed out right now, but yeah, that's navigation. Phone on the other side, audio, apps. You can cycle through everything you need. And then, that's it. And then I'm leaving for college soon, so if I can get a chance to get a video of this outside, I will, but if not, here it is. Thanks for watching, guys.